Interesting Botox facts that you should know about. Did you know that it takes on average around 5 days for Botox to start to work? It will reach its maximum peak around 2 week time. Sometimes that's 3 weeks. The peak will last for 6 to 8 weeks before some movement will start to return. The neurons that the Botox are cleaved to replace themselves. So depending on how quickly your physiology, your metabolism does that, depends on how quickly the Botox works for you. So it is your body determines how long Botox works for. On average, clinical trials have shown that it lasts around 12 weeks. Some people shorter, again, some people longer. Botox has more of an effect on dynamic lines than it does on static lines. Dynamic lines are created when we make facial expressions. So when we're frowning, when we're lifting our brows, when we're smiling, when we're laughing. The lines that are created through the facial expressions are what we call dynamic lines. They will work effectively with Botox. Static lines are lines that are there when your face is at rest. Botox won't have as much as an effect on them than they will have on dynamic lines. It will soften them, but not with everybody. So when is the best time to start Botox? Best time to start Botox is when you start seeing the lines, when your face is at rest. So when you're not making facial expressions and the lines are starting to appear when you're not even contracting muscle, that is the time to start using Botox. Some brands of Botox are more effective with some people than others. So you should always know what brand of botulinum toxin A, because that's what it's all generically called. The brand names are Botox, Botox, Azalo, and the new one, Alluzience. They're the only ones that are licensed in the UK for use in this country. Any other brands are not licensed and are usually counterfeit or fake product. In order for Botox to be administered, there needs to be a face-to-face consultation with a healthcare practitioner or a prescription. The same way as when you go to the doctors for antibiotics, Botox is a prescription medication that can only be obtained from a pharmacy. So you will not go to your hairdressers for a prescription of antibiotics. So it's the same principle. If you are going for an appointment and you are not having a face-to-face consultation with a healthcare professional, your product will not have been obtained from a pharmacy prescribed in your name, because if they haven't taken your details before that appointment, there's no way pharmacy will give out medication unless it's prescribed by a prescribing medical health professional.